Hey, I'm Alan Brito, I'm an architect, and in this tutorial, let me show you how you can add external IFC files for furniture models in Bonsai and how to fix a really common problem that you will find in those files when you get them from external or online libraries. This is a problem that will cost you a lot of time if you don't know how to fix them. Well, to get started, where is this furniture, this parametric furniture tool? If you take a look here on a Bonsai, you will see that we have a furniture tool, and if you have assets, you can add those assets from here. Let me create a new project here so you can take a look on what we get with the IFC demo template from Bonsai. If you hit here the furniture tool, you will find that we have a single object here on the selector. If you press Shift A, you will see that we get a bunny. It's cute, but not really useful if you want to use this for architectural design. So to give you an idea on what is the workflow, I already downloaded this model here from BIM Object. BIM Object is a quite popular online library for people looking for IFC or Revit files, ArchiCAD files compatible with BIM or in the BIM format. I already downloaded this model, and as you can see here, it offers me a way to get it as an IFC file. So looks good. We can try that in a Bonsai. What is the correct or the optimal workflow? Let me create a new project here. I don't have any types here on the left. The correct workflow is to come here in the project overview tab, scroll down, and you will find here the project library. Let me hit this button here to open a new IFC file. And this is the file that I downloaded from BIM Object. And as you can notice, it's using IFC 2x3, but our project is using IFC 4. So I will ask Bonsai to upgrade this for me. It will upgrade the file, so I can try to load it here. And I will navigate into the classes of the file here. And as you can see, we have our first problem here. It's using IFC Furnishing elements type, which is not what we want to use with Bonsai, but we can try to use it right now. You can see that we have the F0305 chair. Hit this clip button and it will load the external file into Bonsai. You will see that it's now part of our library. You can see it right here. So if we try to use it with the furniture tool, it won't find it. It won't even list it here because it needs an IFC furniture type. So what is the fix? Let's try something here, something that a lot of people try, which is the first thing that you should consider, which is opening the IFC file. So let me go to the file, open IFC, and I will select the IFC file. Let's try to open it directly, and you can see here that we have the model inside. So let's try to change the class to see if it will make any difference. So I will open here my object information, hit this pencil button, and we will try to change here from IFC furnishing element to IFC furniture. Let's see if it will work. Reassign IFC class. And if you press here the IFC furniture tool, you will see that it will show up here. So this is a good sign, but we can try to add it. Let's try to add an instance. It will show us this error. Not exactly an error, but it's showing to us that there is no geometry. If I hit OK, it will add an empty. Let's try something else. Let's go with custom tessellation. No, it will add a cube. And if you try custom extruded solid, nope, same thing. So what is the fix for this? What is the optimal way to add this furniture, this IFC into Bonsai? Let me show you what I do. If you know any other method, please feel free to share with us here in the comments. So what I do here, let me erase these objects and I will select here our chair. And what I will do is I will break the connection from this object to the IFC class. So press this chain here, this broken chain. This will unlink the object. So now this is just a Blender mesh. And since this is a Blender mesh, I will save this as a Blender file. So let me go to the file, save as. And in here, I will just type here chair. Remember this name, we will need this to append this file. So it's F0305. Let me create a new project here, new metric project. And I will append that geometry. So let me go to the file, append. Here's the model, chair.blend. Let me open here the object and I will bring this F0305 append, and this is what we get. We get the object right here. So besides this, I will assign a new IFC class, and this will be an IFC element type because I want to create multiple instances of this object, and for that reason I will select from this list IFC furniture type. Remember, it was using this option here before. We want IFC furniture type. Let me assign the IFC class. It will disappear. That's fine. This is what it's supposed to do because we need to add instances of this object here to this project. If you open now the furniture tool, you will see that it will show up here as an option. And you can see it here on the left. So let's try to add an instance now. If you press Shift A, you will see that we can add instances of this chair. So we just fixed the problem. We now have an option to use this chair. You can see that it's showing up here a small preview of the file and the name of the chair as part of the list that we have available here for our furniture. And what if we want to use this on another project? Let's try something here. I will save this, save IFC project as. I will save this as an IFC. So I will set this name here as new chair. And from here, I will just create a new project in Bonsai. New project wizard. Let's go with an IFC demo template. And we have our walls here. Let's say you will start working on your wall. And if you enable here the furniture option, you'll see that it's not showing the chair anymore. Let's scroll down, do the same thing. Project library. I will open that IFC now. Here's the IFC file. Let me select the library. I will navigate here until we find the chair. Hit click on the clip button. And if you open here your furniture options, you will see that we have the chair there. So select the chair, press Shift A, and you will be able to add this into any project. I know it's a lot of saves and opening files, but remember, you have to do this only once. Once you have your IFC file saved with the correct class, you can just keep it into a folder and load the file whenever you need to work or add this asset into a project. And one thing to notice is that you won't have to do this all the time. It will depend on the location where you download your IFC files. For instance, I have to do this all the time when I download IFC files from BIM object. But depending on the location where you download your assets, well, they might come with the correct IFC class. So you can just straight load them into Bonsai. And this is it. Now you know how to add and fix external IFC files as furniture models to Bonsai. And if you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future tutorials about Bonsai and a lot more. And if you want to keep learning about Blender and architecture, I will leave links in the description with a few additional learning resources. I have this workshop here called Blender Precise Modeling, where I'll teach you how to use Blender as a 3D CAD tool. I have this other one called a Blender for Architects, where I'll teach you how to use Blender as a 2D drafting tool. And I just released this book here called Blender Rendering with Cycles. By the way, if you are a channel member, you can get these assets here for free. Consider becoming a pro channel member or a supporter to support my work here in Blender 3D Architect and enjoy these perks. Again, I hope you like this tutorial. See you next time. Bye.